Nothing gets us in the holiday spirit like music. Wouldn't you love to hear all your favorite Christmas classics sung by some of today's hottest stars? Well, now you can, thanks to Deaize and Sean Productions, as they present Nat King Cole and Sammy Davis Jr. in the Soulful Sounds of Christmas, featuring modern-day remixes to some of your favorite holiday classics, like I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas.
I'm dreaming of a black Christmas, just like the dead I didn't know. All my homies out of prison, and their kids still don't listen, while moms takes them gifts back to the store. Oh.
And we can't forget the holiday cornerstone, the Christmas song.
Chitlin simmering on an open fire, old folks sipping on Tito, never-ending riffs being sung by a choir, black folks still getting beat on by popos everywhere I go.
This Christmas,
we celebrate for 8 long nights. Nobody sliding down our chimneys tonight. And this dreidel will be a very special dreidel for me, yeah.
and last but certainly not least, have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Have yourself a merry little Kwanzaa. Shine your candles bright. Let's leave now, though, for Africa leaves tonight. So let's leave your oppressor and follow Marcus Garvey's light.
Other songs in Nat King Cole and Sammy Davis Jr.'s Soulful Sounds of Christmas musical include I'll Be Alone for Christmas, Santa Baby Mama, I Saw Mommy Stabbing Santa Claus, Christmas in Quarantine, What Did the Homies Do at Christmas, 12 Days of Christmas, Jingle Bell on the Rocks, and All I Want for Christmas Is Your Sister. Streaming on Disney Plus and Hulu on December 5th.